Russia has released an image of S-71 air-launched stealthy combat UAV designed by Sukhoi Corporation that has been integrated with the Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jet that can autonomously search, detect and engage moving targets using onboard electro-optical sensors and targeting data. Pakistan has purchased Supercam mini surveillance drones from Russia that has an endurance of 7 hours and is designed for aerial photography, video monitoring and a host of other critical missions. A sudden hard landing of a Su-30 aircraft at Pune airport has disrupted flight schedules. The incident took place during a practice session when the Su-30 aircraft crashed from a height of 8 feet while landing on the runway. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will visit US on 23 August, during which he will discuss the delay of F-404 engines with his US counterpart. TATA Advanced Systems is on the cusp of securing a substantial order for over 100 wheeled armored vehicle platforms from the Indian Army. Vaydyn Technologies has unveiled its groundbreaking Vyom autonomous Nano drone that weighs just 170 grams and has an impressive endurance of 25 minutes and a range of 4.5 kilometers. Amid the significant hurdles faced by international aircraft manufacturers due to global supply chain disruptions, there are reports that the request for proposal for MRFA tender will now include a guaranteed delivery schedule from participating companies, with financial penalties for non-compliance. Under the proposed terms, the first fully flyaway aircraft needs to be delivered within 3 years of signing the contract, and 14 units will be delivered directly by the foreign manufacturer, with the remaining 100 aircraft will be manufactured in India. Industry sources have said that these new terms might be too demanding for many potential bidders, and the demand for increased indigenous content and the development of a robust domestic supply chain will pose additional challenges. The Indian Air Force has cleared the proposal by DRDO's Aeronautical Development Establishment to transform its Swift technology demonstrator into a full-fledged Mini-UCAV bomber. The new Swift UCAV bomber will be equipped with an internal weapons bay and new design elements that are crucial for entering enemy airspace undetected. The gas turbine research establishment is providing the Manic engine to power the mini unmanned combat aerial vehicle that will have a payload capacity of 200 kilograms of precision-guided munitions. The Indian Army has issued a tender to acquire 400 next-generation artillery guns worth 7,000 crore rupees, and the tender has been issued to 4 firms that includes Bharat Forge, Larsen & Toubro, Adani Defence and Advanced Weapons and Equipment India Limited. The howitzers will be procured under a route that mandates that the system will have to be designed in India with more than 50% of indigenous content based on the contract value, and the Indian firms will receive technology transfer and intellectual property rights from foreign firms to qualify for Defence Acquisition Procedure 2020 under the Buy Indian policy. Today's top 3 comments.